In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut subscription error quickly and safely using 2 simple steps. This is a common issue when CapCut does not recognize your paid plan, or when your premium features suddenly stop working even though you already subscribed. The good news is that in many cases the fix is very simple, and you do not need to uninstall the app or lose your projects. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log out of your CapCut account and sign back in again. Open the CapCut app on your phone or device, then go to your Profile section. From there, look for the Logout option and tap it. Once you are fully signed out, sign back in using the exact same account and email address that you used when you purchased the subscription. This part is very important, because if you use a different email or a different login method, CapCut may not be able to detect your active plan. After signing back in, give the app a few moments to refresh your account status and check whether your subscription has been restored. In many cases, this alone can solve the error right away. If the subscription issue is still showing after logging back in, the next step is to update CapCut to the latest version. On the CapCut home screen, look for the update icon in the top right corner. If an update is available, tap it and let the app install the newest version. Updating is important because subscription glitches are often caused by outdated app files, temporary bugs, or compatibility issues with your current version. Once the update is complete, reopen the app and check your premium features again. A fresh version of CapCut can often reconnect your subscription properly and remove the error message. If you are still having trouble after these steps, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then close the app completely and reopen it one more time. Sometimes, the subscription status just needs a quick refresh before it appears correctly. Also, double-check that you are using the same platform you originally subscribed on, since subscriptions can sometimes be linked differently depending on whether you purchase through Apple, Google, or another method. But for most users, simply logging out and back in with the correct account, then updating CapCut is enough to fix the subscription error fast. So to recap, first sign out and sign back in with the same purchase account, and then update CapCut using the top right update icon on the home screen. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful app fixes and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.